In this CrakRevenue review, I'm going to be showing you this affiliate platform in which you can sell other people's product and make money from it. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if CrakRevenue is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new website software and courses. If you want to get my #1 recommended strategy that has helped me personally go from 0 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, make sure you guys click the link down below, which is basically the first link. Now let's jump into CrakRevenue. So as you all know, CrakRevenue is the #1 CPA network. So CPA means cost per acquisition. So you get paid for doing a particular action. So suppose you are promoting an offer, and if you make the client add their credit card information, you can get paid. So this is called cost per acquisition offer. So one of the best offers that they have got is the CPA, which is cost per acquisition, and then you have CPL and CPS as well. So CPL is cost per lead and CPS is cost per sale. So you can get paid for every lead and you can also get paid for every sale. So basically you get a part of their part of the percentage of the sale or lead that you make. So they have this AI powered solutions, industry lending payouts, exclusive offers, and over 100 million monthly clicks. So that's great. So you can join CrakRevenue here. You can be an advertiser as well. So these are some of the niches. You have cam, you have dating, you have OnlyFans models, you have AI, you have gaming, you have health. So that's all good. So these are the various niches. And they have some promotional tools as well, and they have some amazing reviews, and they have also worked with one of the best affiliate marketing platforms such as Volume, AFF Plus, OfferVault, etc. So I hope you guys know all these affiliate marketing networks. So these are like very popular networks. You can be an advertiser as well as a promoter. So you can go ahead with the one you can choose. And also let me show you some of the offers. So if you go to offers, there is scam, there is dating, there is OnlyFans models, AI, gaming, health, and CBD. So the offers that you're gonna get is all adult based. So cam is basically on an adult base, dating is adult base, then OnlyFans model is basically when you like recommend an OnlyFans model, then AI is some AI is also adult based as well. So gaming is not the typical gaming, so it is an adult gaming. Even health is also adult, in which you are going to be selling all this erectile dysfunction products. So that is what you're going to be getting in health, and you got CBD. Now let's have a look at dating. So as you can see, the largest and the most profitable selection of dating offers, almost $65 million has been paid out in the dating section. So that's great. And you have got a total of 350 plus dating offers. So that's also excellent. The ad spend every month is almost 40 million. So that's also pretty great. And their main partners are Adult Friend Finder, Basto Meet, Sex Messenger, and Fuckbook. So these are their partners. So this is why I told you these guys are these offers are odd adult offers. So that's it for the dating section. Now let's have a look at the gaming section, which is adult gaming. So now let's have a look at the gaming section. So these affiliate offers, you can see it on porn websites. So their main partners are Sex Simulator, Pornstar, Aero Games, Hentai, H Heroes, and BDSM Simulator. So all of that. So you can see this kind of offers on porn websites, and you can promote them on these websites as well. And their high commission rates are from these PPL, PPS, and revenue share. So that's great. Now let's go to health. So this is also in the huddle space. So they basically promote erectile dysfunction offers. So you can have a look at them. As you can see, it is also a high paying affiliate program. You can earn up to $40 per lead or 35% revenue share. So that's it for the health affiliate program. Now let's get back to the main page. See, overall, I would like to tell you guys that CrakRevenue is an amazing affiliate marketing network. But if you're a beginner, it's pretty hard to get into the adult space, especially if you have no knowledge about the marketing or if you have no knowledge about how to promote it in websites, and if you don't have big influence or you don't know how to promote it any sort of ever. So it is not for people who are a beginner. And I don't really recommend this affiliate network if you are like a complete beginner. But if you have some experience in other affiliate marketing networks and you have made some significant money, I would highly recommend if you guys to go to the CrakRevenue. They have got 700 plus networks, and I'm pretty sure you guys can make a total killing with it. So for the beginners, I'm going to be giving away a free affiliate marketing guide, which has personally helped me from going from $0 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month. So if you want to check it out, make sure you guys click the first link in the description in which you can access this free affiliate marketing guide. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of CrakRevenue. Please make sure you guys subscribe and like this video, as it really helps out my channel, and I hope to see you on another review video.